You may think that improving your kidney health requires complex treatments or drastic changes, but what if I told you there are superfruits that can transform your kidneys in just 25 days? Sounds too good to be true, right? But the truth is, these fruits not only help detoxify and revitalize your kidneys, but they are also easy to incorporate into your daily life. Most of us neglect kidney health until something goes wrong. But with simple adjustments to your diet, it's possible to give your kidneys the care they truly deserve, and all in less than a month. Now, imagine replacing small snacks with nutrient-packed fruits that act as real protectors for your kidneys. We're not talking about complex diets, but choices you can start making at your next breakfast. And what's most interesting is that these superfruits not only help keep your kidneys healthy but also bring benefits to your entire body, like improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and fighting inflammation. So, if you're ready to transform your kidney health, it's time to discover what these superfruits are. Get ready to explore options that go beyond the ordinary and can make a real difference in your life in just 25 days. Are you in? 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is that refreshing fruit everyone loves on hot days, but what few know is the positive impact it can have on kidney health. With more than 90% of its content made up of water, watermelon becomes an excellent ally for hydration and the detoxification process. Imagine your kidneys working as tireless filters, needing water to flush out toxins. Watermelon provides that essential boost, allowing them to function more efficiently. Moreover, lycopene, present in large amounts, acts as a shield, protecting against oxidative stress, which can harm kidney health in the long run. Now, think of lycopene as an invisible bodyguard, always on alert. It fights free radicals, which are like intruders trying to cause damage. And the best part? This same lycopene also protects other parts of the body, like the skin and heart. So, by adding watermelon to your diet, you're not only helping your kidneys, but you're also doing a favor for your whole body. A simple example: a slice of watermelon as an afternoon snack can already make a big difference. Curiously, watermelon seems like a simple fruit but hides incredible power. Just by imagining it in your diet, the benefit is already visible. But for those who want to optimize kidney health even further, it's worth looking at other fruits that also have unique properties and can be allies in this process. After all, variety in the menu is always good, and we have much more to explore about fruits that positively impact the kidneys. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries are small but powerful when it comes to kidney health. They are known to protect the urinary tract, creating a kind of barrier against bacteria that could cause infections, like the dreaded E. coli. And when urinary tract infections are prevented, the risk of kidney damage also decreases significantly. Imagine your kidneys as tireless defenders. Cranberries act as that extra armor that prevents invaders from getting in. Eating a handful of cranberries regularly may seem like a simple gesture, but it makes a huge difference to kidney health. Another benefit of cranberries is that they help keep the pH of urine more acidic, making it even harder for harmful bacteria to grow. This means that, in addition to protecting against infections, they contribute to the continuous and efficient functioning of the kidneys. If you don't have fresh cranberries around, unsweetened cranberry juice is also a good option. Just be careful with added sugars, which can be harmful to overall health. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is a practical way to strengthen kidney defense. And when combined with other fruits that also benefit kidney health, like those we'll see next, the positive impact multiplies. It's fascinating how something so small can play such a big role in maintaining kidney health. 3. Red grapes. Red grapes, besides being delicious, offer a special benefit for the kidneys. They are rich in resveratrol, a compound that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. The kidneys, like any other organ in the body, can suffer from inflammation caused by the buildup of toxins and other factors, but resveratrol helps reduce this impact, protecting kidney tissue from more severe damage. So, by eating a bunch of red grapes, you're not just enjoying the sweet taste, but also giving a boost to your kidney health. Moreover, resveratrol is known for combating oxidative stress, something that can harm the kidneys over time. Think of oxidative stress as small particles that, if left uncontrolled, wear down the organs internally. In this sense, red grapes act as a preventive repair to avoid this kind of wear and tear. A simple habit like adding a few grapes to your breakfast or snack can already make a difference in long-term kidney protection. With so many incredible fruits to help kidney health, red grapes stand out not only for resveratrol but also because they are practical and easy to include in your routine. Of course, other fruits that also have antioxidant power can come into play, further increasing the benefits. And speaking of antioxidants, there's a fruit that combines health and sweetness in perfect balance, perfect for those who want to keep their kidneys in shape. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries, these small blue balls, are a real treasure for those who care about kidney health. Rich in antioxidants, they fight free radicals that can harm the kidneys, protecting them from long-term damage. Additionally, because they have a low glycemic index, blueberries are a great option for those with diabetes, a condition that can directly affect the kidneys. So, besides being tasty, they are versatile and safe for various health profiles. Another interesting point is that blueberries help reduce inflammation, one of the main factors that can compromise kidney function. By including blueberries in your daily routine, whether in a breakfast smoothie or mixed in yogurt, you're taking an important step to keep your kidneys healthy. The cumulative impact of these small gestures is something few people realize, but it makes all the difference. When we think of the set of fruits beneficial for kidney health, blueberries stand out for their antioxidant power, but they're not the only ones that deserve attention. There are other fruits that, in addition to protecting the kidneys, can also help control other aspects of health, as we will see next. After all, a varied meal plan is the key to ensuring that our kidneys work efficiently for longer. 5. Apples. The apple, such a common fruit in our daily lives, hides powerful benefits for the kidneys. Rich in fiber, it helps reduce cholesterol and glucose absorption, which relieves pressure on the kidneys. The fiber in apples acts as a kind of detergent in the digestive system, cleansing the body and making it easier for the kidneys to filter the blood. So, that daily apple can not only keep the doctor away but also keep your kidneys in top shape. Moreover, apples are a great option for those looking to keep blood sugar levels under control, especially for diabetics, who need to pay even closer attention to kidney health. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in apples, helps prevent glucose spikes, which is crucial for preserving kidney function. Including an apple in your routine, whether as a snack or part of a salad, is a simple and effective way to protect your kidneys from unnecessary strain. When we think of fruits that help kidney health, it's always good to remember that variety is key. The apple is excellent, but there are other equally powerful options to add to your diet. One such fruit, full of vitamin C and potential to prevent kidney problems, is what we'll discover next. 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes are true kidney allies, thanks to their abundance of vitamin C. This vitamin not only strengthens the immune system but also plays a crucial role in preventing kidney stone formation. When we consume foods rich in vitamin C, our body can eliminate more oxalate in the urine, a compound that, if accumulated, can crystallize and form kidney stones. A glass of orange juice in the morning can be a big step in protecting your kidneys in the long run. Moreover, citrus fruits help maintain the body's pH balance, which also benefits the kidneys, as they need an alkaline environment to function well. Adding a bit of lemon to water or using lemon juice in salads can be a simple and effective way to maintain this balance. Small habits, like squeezing them over dishes, can become routines that, with little effort, make a huge difference to kidney health. Regardless of how you consume them, citrus fruits are practical and full of benefits. But if the goal is to continue discovering ways to take good care of the kidneys, there are other less known yet equally impactful fruits we'll explore next. After all, kidney health is a collection of good daily choices. 7. Pineapple. Pineapple, besides being a delicious tropical fruit, brings an unexpected benefit to the kidneys, bromelain. This enzyme has anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve the kidney's workload, making pineapple a smart choice for anyone wanting to care for kidney health. bromelain acts as a facilitator, aiding in protein digestion and reducing inflammation, which in turn supports kidney function. Eating slices of pineapple or drinking its juice regularly is a refreshing way to take care of this vital organ. But the benefits of pineapple don't stop there. It's also a great source of hydration, essential for keeping the kidneys running at full capacity. The significant amount of water present in the fruit helps filter toxins from the blood, allowing the kidneys to perform their function more efficiently. A pineapple smoothie at breakfast, for example, can be a tasty and nutritious choice to ensure your kidneys are always hydrated. By including pineapple in your routine, the positive impact on kidney health becomes evident, especially when combined with other beneficial fruits. And speaking of combinations, there's a fruit that also fights inflammation and reduces the risk of kidney stones, making it a perfect choice to accompany pineapple in your daily diet. 8. Cherries. Cherries, besides being sweet and delicious, play a big role in kidney protection. They are rich in antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which fight inflammation, helping to preserve kidney health. Regular consumption of cherries can lower the amount of uric acid in the blood, which is key to preventing kidney stone formation. So, that handful of cherries you eat in the summer is more than just a tasty snack, it's a true natural defense for your kidneys. Another interesting point is that cherries help reduce oxidative stress, which, if left unchecked, can affect kidney function over time. Think of them as little protectors that, with their antioxidant properties, keep the kidneys working in balance. Including cherries in your diet, whether fresh or in natural juices, is a simple way to avoid future kidney complications while adding a splash of color and flavor to your meals. With so many benefits, cherries become an obvious choice for those looking to take care of kidney health. However, there are other fiber and antioxidant-rich fruits that, along with cherries, form a powerful team in preserving kidney function. Let's talk about one of them, which is full of fiber and not only helps the kidneys but also the digestive system. 9. Raspberries. Raspberries are an incredible source of fiber and antioxidants, and when it comes to kidney health, they stand out even more. Rich in ellagic acid, raspberries help protect the kidneys from cellular damage and inflammation. Additionally, the high amount of fiber in the fruit aids in the digestive process, which indirectly benefits the kidneys, as the body works more efficiently to eliminate toxins. Incorporating raspberries into your diet, whether in smoothies or as part of a fruit salad, is a practical way to keep your kidneys healthy. Fiber, in addition to improving digestion, helps control cholesterol and glucose levels in the blood, which is crucial for those wanting to protect their kidneys. Since the kidneys are responsible for filtering the blood, any overload can negatively impact their function. So, by consuming raspberries regularly, you're helping your kidneys not to work as hard, allowing them to operate at a healthier pace. A small gesture that makes a huge difference. Combined with other fruits that promote kidney health, raspberries become even more potent. But there's one fruit that takes this role to an even higher level, being considered a true champion in detoxification and blood pressure control, something essential for anyone concerned about their kidneys. 10. Beets. Beets are a true powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Rich in nitrates, they help improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure, which is essential for anyone looking to protect their kidneys. After all, the kidneys work hard to filter the blood, and when blood pressure is under control, the effort they make is reduced, prolonging their health. Including beets in your diet, whether in salads or juices, can be an effective way to improve kidney function naturally. In addition to nitrates, beets are also known for their detoxifying properties, helping the body eliminate toxins that, if accumulated, could overload the kidneys. When we think about keeping kidney health in check, ensuring the body is always detoxified is one of the first steps. A beet and apple juice, for example, can be a powerful combination for anyone wanting to take care of kidney health in a practical and tasty way. With so many benefits, beets deserve their place in the diet of anyone concerned about kidney health. And like other fruits and vegetables, they're part of a set of foods that, when combined, create a true protective barrier for the kidneys. Now that we've explored the best food options, we can reflect on how all these choices impact the body as a whole, leading to a more balanced life. Now that you know the superfruits that can transform your kidney health in just 25 days, the real question is, when will you start? Your kidneys deserve this special attention, and you now have the tools you need to start this change. Think about how simply including these fruits can protect you from future problems. More energy, fewer toxins, and revitalized kidney health, all within your reach. But actions are what really matter, right? So why not take the first step now? How about starting tomorrow by including one of these superfruits in your breakfast or snack? You'll see how small adjustments can lead to great results. And remember, taking care of your kidneys is an investment in your long-term well-being. Don't put off for tomorrow what you can do today. The decision is in your hands, and your kidneys will thank you for it. If you want to keep learning about how to improve your health, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a valuable tip and can continue the journey toward a healthier life. Now, the question remains, what changes will you make today to take care of your body tomorrow?